All right, hello and welcome to Friday, November 6th. Um, I just want to introduce a little bit what you're doing today. Pretty quick lesson. Yesterday was a little bit longer, right? So if you didn't quite get a chance to finish all this stuff up, you'd have some time today. But anyways, um, in class most years, right, during a non-pandemic year, we do a little programming competition, which is basically kind of a race. You get some prompts or some programs, and you have to write them as fast as you can. And then the first team that's done wins. So I usually do this in partners and stuff in class, and it's kind of a fun deal. Um, they're real things, right? They have them for college students, and they're actually pretty fun. You kind of show up and eat pizza, drink Mountain Dew, and program for 5, 6 hours and stuff as a team with one computer. So they're pretty fun. The company I used to work for called Digikey used to, or actually still has one, and so I looked up some of the information about it, and you can see they actually get some pretty good prizes here. Um, and I should someday look at the problems I have to do. We should maybe try some of these in class. But um, I was looking at the winners here too. My college was Morris, which hasn't won in a while by the look of it. Back in my day, they did win some. I wasn't on any of the teams, sadly, but here's a couple kids from my school that I knew. Here's a few more of them. This kid now works at, last I heard, worked at IBM. He's a really smart kid. He was in the lab programming all the time. I called him Mixmaster Mike. He was really a good programmer. All right, anyways, getting back to what you guys are actually going to be doing today is if you click on the little programming competition deal, we're not actually going to do it as a competition because I can't think of a way to do it while you're at home. But basically, your job is to program a couple while loops here. So basically, use whatever editor you want, Eclipse, or if you're using the online one, just make a new program, make a main, whatever, and then you have to write two while loops. You can use the same program, but just do two while loops as described right here. All right, and then once you're done with them, again, either upload them here on this assignment, or you can turn them in your Google Drive folder, which would actually be easier for me if you want to do it that way. But either route is fine. It's again just to get some practice. You could try to challenge yourself and time it, see how quick you could do it. You don't have to do that part though. It's really just more practice to make sure you got while loop. So it's actually pretty short. So again, if you have extra time today, make sure you got the stuff done from yesterday, um, or any other missing work that you might have for this class. So that's it. Today's real short, just this programming competition. That's it. All right. Thanks. Have a good day.